Have you ever opened Claude AI and wondered, where do I even start? The truth is, most people only use Claude like a chatbot, but it can do much more than answer questions. In the next 6 minutes, I'll show you the most useful Claude features that can help you write emails, summarize documents, analyze files, organize projects, and save hours every week. Let's get started. Claude is an AI assistant developed by Anthropic. Think of it as your personal writing partner, research assistant, and productivity tool all in one place. Whether you're a student, business owner, marketer, or office professional, Claude can help you complete everyday tasks much faster. Let's begin with the interface. After signing in, you'll see 3 main areas. In the center is the prompt box, where you ask Claude anything. On the left is your conversation history, making it easy to return to previous work. At the bottom, you'll find options to upload files or images. Now, let's try a real example. Imagine you need to send a professional email to a supplier. Instead of writing from scratch, simply type, "Write a professional email to a supplier requesting a delivery update for our latest order." Keep the tone polite and professional. Within seconds, Claude creates a complete email. The best part is that you don't need to start over if something isn't perfect. You can simply say, make it shorter, or change the tone to be more friendly, or rewrite it for a senior executive. Claude remembers the conversation and updates the email accordingly. One of my favorite features is document analysis. Let's say your manager sends you a 40-page sales report. Instead of reading everything, upload the PDF and ask Claude, summarize this report into 5 key points and highlight important risks and opportunities. Within seconds, Claude extracts the most important information. This also works for research papers, meeting notes, contracts, business proposals, Excel spreadsheets. It's an incredible time saver. Now let's look at one of Claude's most powerful features, artifacts. Instead of only generating text, Claude can create complete working documents. For example, ask, create a product launch plan for a new AI productivity application including timeline, marketing strategy, budget, and launch checklist. Claude generates a structured document that you can edit, improve, and expand without starting over. Think of artifacts as AI-generated working documents rather than simple chat responses. As you create more chats, things can quickly become messy. Projects solve this problem. Imagine you're working on a product launch. You can keep your research, documents, PDFs, and conversations together in one project. You can even add instructions like always answer in bullet points or write in a professional business tone. Claude automatically follows those instructions every time you work inside that project. Claude can also connect with services like email, calendars, and cloud storage. This allows Claude to search information across your connected tools instead of requiring you to upload everything manually. If you regularly work with large amounts of information, this feature can become a huge productivity boost. Here's one tip that will instantly improve your results. Don't give Claude short prompts like write an email. Instead, provide context. For example, write a professional email to a supplier requesting an updated delivery schedule. Keep the tone friendly and include a request for confirmation before Friday. The more context you provide, the better Claude performs. And that's everything you need to start using Claude effectively. Once you're comfortable with these basics, you can explore advanced features like skills, custom workflows, and AI automation. If this video helped you, subscribe to ToolScope for practical AI tutorials, software reviews, and productivity tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.